So today I'd like to introduce you to Chantal Merritt, who is Oxfordshire's Purple Angel Ambassador. And Purple Angel is an organisation that raises awareness of dementia. So Chantal, just tell me about how you got into that and what it does and what it means.
So I joined the Purple Angel Ambassador because the story behind the gentleman Norm, who founded it, was really personal. It was actually about himself, was diagnosed with dementia at 50 and started recognising that people was treating him really differently. People didn't understand his symptoms that he was displaying when he was out and about. You know, he was asked to leave a shop for being drunk because actually it was his communication and his spatial awareness that was letting him down. So he started founding the Purple Angel organisation to raise awareness and understanding. I took it on as an ambassador for Oxfordshire because I wanted to bring it to our local community. You know, I've worked in care homes looking after people with dementia, and I was passionate about making sure that everyone around us, around our community where our care homes are, understand better. So, you know, we as a home can get out and about and go to pubs and go to shops and people understand. I went to a pub once myself with a group of residents from my home, and the person behind the bar would only talk to me. You know, and I ignored the people around me because they just don't understand. So
how and what to do and how to say it and how to be.
Exactly, you know, really not knowing. It was just that the stigma that goes with someone with dementia, what people see, and then the real understanding. So we've gone into shops and hotels and restaurants, any places. I started in schools, you know, to raise the awareness for younger people, and I helped, along with Norm and Health Watch in Torquay, write a manual that could start going out in care homes. You know, there's lots of training and understanding, but a more personal view from him himself, you know, how it felt and how we wanted it to improve. So that's what we've been doing, and it's worldwide, the Purple Angel Group.
Remarkable.
So, yeah.
Congratulations, that's really fantastic. Thank you.